Weather Bulletin. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for Central Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, South Central Clarion County in west central Pennsylvania, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Wennersburg, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include mainly rural areas of Central Armstrong and South Central Clarion counties. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Armstrong and Clarion,